WTF, Anderson, Indiana. If you don't know, I'll tell you what. There's a blizzard in the forecast, and there's a paradise in the prophecy. December 9th, it's not what you're expecting. It's a pro wrestler, a creator, a legend, a champion. Ryan Paradise. And I've prepared for some sort of fight before Christmas, but made a little bit of a nuclear winter elsewhere. And I was cordially invited by the Wrestling Theology Fellowship to take shelter and make my debut in their 30-man rumble. But after the Blizzard Brawl feels the power of paradise, and Andersonians become paradisciples, just remember, you open the door, you let me in.